Alright, today we're going to be making galaxy art. First, I'll do my paper texture brush, and then I'll start spreading it onto the canvas. It's kind of hard to see through the camera lens, so I'll adjust it for the sake of the picture. And now I'm going to make a new layer, and I'm going to lock my background layer. Select the watercolor galaxy brush. Now I'm going to pick a color to start off with my galaxy, and I'll start putting a circle in the middle of the canvas, just like how a galaxy would mimic. And I'll keep adding in to the circle, and I'll add more purple colors to give the variety to make it look realistic. And as I keep going, I'll keep going toward the center, and I'll add in some blues, and I'll go lighter pressure for a more watercolor effect, and then I'll go with more purples again. And I'll just keep adding in different colors, purples and blues and pinks. And as I go out using the purple, I'll start expanding outward, and then I'll go to the darker blue again to add in a natural effect. Then I'll make a new layer and start adding in oranges, yellows, greens, and teals to make a natural looking galaxy. And I'll keep expanding all the way out toward the canvas and adding in blues and pinks and purples. And once I've done that, I'll add in a few more oranges and yellows for some more color variation. Next, I'll just keep adding in more blues and more purples and pinks to the outside edges of my canvas, and then I'll go toward the center and add in some more color variation. I just did an add layer for an extra glow effect. But then I'm going to go over to the Pixie Dust brush from the Happy Palette bundle. And this is a duotone brush, so I'm changing these two colors here because it's going to swap from cream to yellow. And as I do this, I'm just going to keep layering and sprinkling across, kind of like if it was actual pixie dust, to make a starry effect for the galaxy. Now I'm going to take my paint splash brush and put this in the color cream and just flick across the canvas. And I'll just keep flicking across. And I'm going to add in blues, and you can add in purples, yellows, blues, just any color you want to add in that organic starry look. Now I'm just taking my bloom tool and adjusting it to add a glow to my paint splashes, and this is the final look.